To enhance your Baldur's Gate 3 installation experience, follow these simple steps to ensure a smooth setup and optimal performance. Step 1. Check system requirements. Before installation, verify that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for Baldur's Gate 3. This includes checking your operating system, processor, RAM, and graphics card specifications. Step 2. Download the game. Purchase and download Baldur's Gate 3 from a reliable platform such as Steam or the official website. Ensure you have a stable internet connection to avoid interruptions during the download process. Step 3. Install the game. Once the download is complete, locate the installer file and run it. Follow the on-screen instructions to install the game on your preferred drive. Make sure to select the correct installation folder. Step 4. Update drivers. After installation, update your graphics and sound drivers to the latest versions. This can enhance performance and fix potential compatibility issues. Visit the manufacturer's website for your hardware to download the latest drivers. Step 5. Configure game settings. Launch Baldur's Gate 3 and access the settings menu. Adjust graphics, audio, and gameplay settings according to your preferences and system capabilities. This will help optimize your gaming experience. By following these steps, you can enhance your installation process and enjoy Baldur's Gate 3 to its fullest. Happy gaming!